Hey guys, it's Christy with W.TI, and I had recently been looking for the perfect centerpiece for our fire table outside, and I found it. I'm in love with this clear serving tray by Sooyee. I love it for its simplistic design. I like that it's clear because it doesn't take away from any of the pieces I have displayed on my fire table or the fire table itself, but it centers everything and makes it look purposeful and elegant. I like that it's plastic because I knew it was going to be outdoors and I wanted it to be able to withstand any rain or the elements outside, so it's done wonderfully with that. One thing about the design that I like as well is on the bottom they put these little rubber cushions, so that's really nice because this is on a metal fire table and it's not going to scratch, so I appreciate that they have that added detail. It's also very functional as a serving tray. I've prepared snacks for my kids, taken those outdoors so they can graze. So it's gonna be great for entertaining and when we have company over. But I love it. It's very modern and elegant. And if you like simple design as well, I know you'll love it like I do. And that's my point of view.